for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie, we're all here. Artie, hello. Do you know what a goldfish is? Do you want to draw one? A really cute one. A cute goldfish. A goldfish in a glass bowl.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Oh, markers. Can you get them? Go on then. Go find your markers. Don't be long.
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No.
Good, okay.
Mikey, you're so silly. Let's start. Let's draw the top half of a circle. Now beneath that, let's draw the bottom half of a circle. Very good. Now let's do a sideways heart shape. This is going to be the goldfish's mouth. Now let's do the tail at the left side. Do a curve, and then another curve opposite, and then connect those two curves with a wiggly line. Great. Oh, Artie, why don't we have a joke break? Joke break.
Why are fish so smart? They live in schools.
They live in schools. Let's get back to our drawing. Come on, let's get back to work. Okay, let's draw the fin. This will be a heart, but sideways on. So imagine the shape of a heart, but sideways. Very good, Artie. Time for an eyeball. That's a nice big eyeball, Artie. Now do a smaller circle inside of that circle. That's good. And now I think we should fill it in black. But leave a little circle near the top that you don't fill in. Leave that part white. That's great. He's really looking like a goldfish. Let's do the bottom fin. That's very pretty. Now let's do the top fin. Artie's really concentrating on this one. Let's add some lines to give our fish some more dimension. Maybe some lines on his tail. And on his top fin. Oh, Artie, why don't we do some scales on his body? We can just do little back to front number 3s. Oh yes, now that's a really good texture.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
I think Mikey's lost for words, Betty. Okay, now it's time for the glass fish bowl. A nice oval for the top of the fish bowl. And then we can make the top look thicker by copying the shape again underneath. Perfect. Now let's do the bowl sides. A big circle all the way round, all the way back up to the top of the bowl. How about a little base so the bowl doesn't roll over and all the water spill out? Some air bubbles in the water. 1, 2, 3.
One.
Are you all finished?
Right.
Great job. He's cute. What colour do you think a goldfish should be? That's right. Orange. Finished. I think you did a really fun drawing today, Artie.
Bye-bye.
You made him 2 shades of orange with a blue glass bowl.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hey.
Let's say goodbye now, Artie.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.